Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture all the action. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro. And on the right, we have the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Let's buckle up and dive into the comparisons. When it comes to video quality, both these dash cams are no joke. The ROVE R2-4K Pro boasts 4K UHD, recording at 2160p and 30 frames per second. That's like having your own personal movie camera in your car. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers a still impressive 2.5K resolution at 1440p. It may not be 4K, but it still captures crystal clear footage with its advanced Starvis sensor. Now let's talk connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the lead here with its advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. You can easily connect your iOS or Android devices using their ROVE Dash Cam app. It's like having your own personal command center right at your fingertips. Meanwhile, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K also offers Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing you to view and manage recordings through their app. Just be aware that using wireless CarPlay or Android Auto may affect the app's connection. GPS functionality is crucial for dash cams, and both of these products have got you covered. The ROVE R2-4K Pro comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to view real-time speed and compass information directly on the LCD. It's like having your own personal navigator right in your dash cam. The VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K also records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps, giving you additional evidence when you need it. Moving on to features, both these dash cams come fully loaded. The ROVE R2-4K Pro boasts state-of-the-art technology, including a supercapacitor for extended product life, voice guidance and alerts, a wide-angle lens, and even support for micro SD cards up to a whopping 512 gigabytes. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in dashcam form. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control, a safe and mini design, and even a 24-hour parking monitor for added security. Last but not least, let's talk customer care. The ROVE R2-4K Pro comes from a 100% USA Chicago-based customer-centric company. They offer hassle-free 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. So if you have any questions or issues, they'll have your back. Similarly, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers reliable customer service and a full refund within 30 days if you have any doubts. It's always great to know that you're in good hands when it comes to your purchases. And that's a wrap on our comparison between the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Both of these dash cams have their own unique features and advantages. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember to do your research, read reviews, and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.